Please put your hands together. I have actually designed quite a lot for me myself, so she's a fabulous designer. Please give her a big round of applause as well. Thank you. So, we'd like to invite Amit Shah Reddy to join us here. Others to please join us. Nice. Please put your hands together. Thank you so very much. Nice. Making all of this look so good. Thanks for that. Keeping it all body high. Give a big hand for that. We did in September, so 2020, and we'd like to thank our associates who will put up for our photography partner. Please join us here. Please put your hands together. Thank you very much. Good evening and a warm welcome to all of you here. We'd like to welcome you all to the press meet of Ram Culture in association with Blue House presents the Season 5 6-Yard Couture. The 6-Yard Couture, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, is the South India's prominent sari and jewelry show. And we have successfully completed 4+ years in different venues every year, annually. But however, all that due to pandemic, we suffered a lot. It was just not an easy task to make it happen. But we still thought that we should go ahead and do this. And with a lot of difficulty, it was very difficult to have live audience, of course. But we kept the Chennai spirit going, and we successfully took it over to a virtual platform, and thereby we had a blast of a fashion show now who showcased their sari collections at 6YC Season 5. And at this juncture, we definitely like to thank all our wonderful event associates who have made this happen. Without their support, this would have just not been possible. So we'd like to take this time and thank them one by one. So maybe you can even applaud them when we do that. So please put your hands together for Blue House and Meadows Lane, our event associate, Drizzle Resto Bar launch partner. Please give a big hand. A wonderful media partner. Provoke, a magazine partner. Wood Style Bar, a luxury saloon partner. Click Art, a photography partner. Copper Ants, digital marketing partner. And Synchronize, our event management. So thanks a lot to all of them. Can we give them a nice collective applause, please? For making this happen. Thank you very, very much. That I and I'm sure you're all looking forward to, because it's time to have our event associates, our ventures. So ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Rafika Nishtad, and thanks for Mr. Nishtad to have joined us in this wonderful occasion. Please give her a big hand. Let us invite her to address the gathering now. Over to you.
Good evening all. As you said, I am Rafika Nishtad, and we run the Blue House and Meadows. Me and my husband we are married for 25 years, and we actually lived in the US for some time, and now we are here in Chennai. That was actually our home, and now I have converted it as a beach wedding destination. So mostly we just cater to the customers with every personal touch. We just take care of the decor, catering, everything. We do it in a way that we make their moment really special, wedding, sangeet, whatever the occasion. That's our main business in the Blue House. And I'm very happy to associate it with the 6-Yard Couture, Mr. Ganesh, that I wish him all success. And it's a really pleasure to be here, and thank you.
We all know that we pass by here. This is one spot, one-stop shop for all kinds of fun, entertainment, and also food at affordable pricing. So it's all there under one roof. We can clearly see that. Well, also this place is very popular amongst kids and families across Chennai. And as a brand, Drizzle have been in India for the last 10 plus years, over a decade, and overall about 20 plus years worldwide. So let us invite Sona Prakash to please address the gathering. Give her a wonderful applause.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for being associated with us, Ganesh. I would like to take that as my first thank you note. And I'm very touched being on the platform with such eminent people. And talking about our association with them culture, it's definitely fun to be in fashion, and especially being a fancy place, it's always good to be associated with fashion. And some of the models are definitely known to us for some time now. So it's a pleasure having you all here. Talking about Drizzle, it's a travel for us. We are still evolving as a place and as a property. And more to explore, more to come, fun things. And our idea of having Drizzle especially was to cater to people for fun and for food at an affordable price, as she has already mentioned. But usually here you get it all only in star hotels, and you think of it only once a month probably, or once in 3 months. So the idea of having Drizzle is that you can afford fun and food every day. And thank you again, everybody, and hope you all have a good time. I hope you go look around the property, and if you feel like partying, you're most welcome to. Thank you.
And professional fashion designer, ladies and gentlemen, a specialist in wedding outfits and the owner of his own label 7 Creations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Syed Sahib. Let us invite the gentleman also to talk to us about his experience and his association with us.
Good evening, everybody. Myself Syed Sahib. I established the label 7 Creations 9 years before. That's on 2012, and slowly we developed designs regarding like wedding collections as well as festive collections for men's. We started a show like with Ganesh Guram through FAT. Like FAT was my first fashion show, Ganesh, and also we engaged with him with his second Men's Couture season 4, I believe, for the virtual fashion show. And then I'm really honored to be one of the panel guests of his show going to be held now. So I thank everybody whoever have applauded and whoever have come here. And also I would like to thank Ganesh for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Thank you so much.
He's Mr. Ganesh Guram, the event organizer and producer of 6 Yard Couture. So please give it up to the man in the hat. Okay, so just after, okay, man of chivalry, totally indeed, isn't it? So let's have Mr. Nishta to please address the gathering, say a few words with us.
Hi, good evening all. Thank you Ganesh for associating with us. It was a pleasure hosting you all there. And we look forward to many more events to be associated in future. And, just a little brief, we are trying to bring a lot of new concept properties in Chennai. So the 2 properties what she mentioned, the Blue House and Madeleine. Madeleine is a totally new concept. It's like a prefab cottage which was totally done in 60 days, start to finish, the whole thing. In fact, we did it during the lockdown time, and it was up and running last September onwards. And we have a lot of traction for that business. In fact, last week for the Valentine's Day, they had a shoot, I think one of the Vijay TV, they had a Valentine's Day song, fully shot there, and it was, in day 1 itself, they had more than 1 million views of that. I think it was a super hit. And, so it's kind of a preferred destination for weddings, photo shoots, family gatherings, corporate events like that. Apart from that, we associate with 2 more properties in Mahabalipuram. One is called, I'm sure most of you would have heard it, it's called Ivy Villa. It's kind of a Bali style venture we brought to Chennai, totally new concept. I urge all you all to check it out. And the other one is Mana Villa. Those both properties are right next to the Chariot Resort in Mahabalipuram. Secluded in about 40 acres right at the beach, and so totally new experience, and next time maybe Ganesh can check it out. And thank you all again, and wish you all the best, Ganesh.
Thanks for coming. So first of all, let me thank my event associate, Blue House, Meadow Lane. Thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Nafta. And it's a very lovely property, and you can call it Goa in Chennai. So thanks for associating. And these are very difficult, troubled times. The pandemic, we had a very difficult time in organizing, getting sponsors and associates, and I should really thank all my associates and sponsors for encouraging us. And I should also mention Drizzle, Madam Sona Prakash. And the food is just outstanding. And we had like out for 2 days, and we had a very nice time. Thank you, ma'am, and it's been a pleasure that we could have you on board. And another thing is Mr. Syed Shahid. He's a quite prominent designer, and after all, I'm wearing this suit. This is done by him only. So, and we've been working for the last 2 years. So he's someone who has to be checked out, and for the men's collections. And I would also like to mention all my other associates, Copper Hands, and let me take names because I take names. So Jeevitha Venkatraman Hands, and Click Art Studio, Mr. Kannan is a photography partner. Thank you, Kannan, so much. I'd like to come here. And he is Mr. Kannan. Thank you, Kannan. Thank you so much. And then Guru, sir. Guru, can you please just come? And he's been associating with us for quite some time. He's been taking care of all our press and media coverage. And he was also part of Men's Couture and now 6xc as well. And then I would also like to thank Boost Talks, Mr. Paul, and they were Jaya and Sangita. And of course my lovely models. And I know they have actually helped a lot during considering the pandemic, and we were having great difficulty in organizing funds. And they've been very considerate, coming much below their market level, and I really thank them for. And that's about it. And hopefully, people who believe in our style of fashion, thank you so much. And I also like to thank Nisha Marimatu. She also is a model. I don't know how many people know her. She also is a model that I'm seeing. And thank you so much.
Our wonderful associates of this event, and we'd like to give them a nice memento. So let me do the honors by reading one by one, and I hope your hands are free to clap a lot. Okay.
Good evening. This is Mujahid. I have my own label called Meraki, and I want to say all praises to Allah and for His endless miracles. And I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh for giving me this opportunity to do this. And I would like to thank my dad and especially my Meraki and team who work with me, especially my suit makers and masters and everyone. And also I would like to thank the models. So அவங்க தான் வந்து அது நல்லா வந்து என்னோட டிசைன்ஸை ஷோகேஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஆல் த மேல் மாடல்ஸ். அதுக்கப்புறமா எனிதிங் என்னை பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு இன்ஜினியரிங் டிஸ்கண்டினியூட், பட் என் பேஷனை நான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறதுனால ஐ டிட் ஃபேஷன் அண்ட் ஐ எம் டூயிங் இட் நவ் and that's why I'm here now. So என்ன சொல்லணும்னா do what you love, so and what makes you happy. Thank you.
Very well said. Follow your passion. There will never be a moment of dullness in life. Thank you very much.
His father himself has been a designer, and he's been associated with the film industry. And in fact, he has done clothes for stars like Rajinikanth, and he's carrying the lineage and the collections which he had displayed during Men's Couture Chennai is very commendable.
Would you like to, Jeevitha?
Jita runs a firm called Copperines, and we are into website development, app development, and as well as digital marketing. And I thank Mr. Ganesh Gurung for giving us this opportunity to be associated with you. Thank you.
Oh, let's cheer him up with a nice applause. Thank you. Manager is successfully conducting the whole event. So please give a big hand for organizing, coordinating. To the wonderful man in black. So I invite all the other rest of the fort to please join us, step forward and collectively appreciate and cheer the man up with a big round of fat applause. All of it together, if you can just join and appreciate him. Yes. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Every year by...
Good evening everyone. Nice meeting you. I am really thankful to Ganesh Gurung for giving this opportunity for the past 2 years for more events. I am really thankful to everyone
for giving me this wonderful opportunity. This is the first time I'm working with him. There was a wonderful experience we had. I would like to thank all my models for that. They did a good job on that day. And thank you all.
Wonderful experience for me. And I would like to thank my lovely models,